Hi and welcome to the Bats in Churches e-learning program for cleaning in churches. This course will give you an overview of cleaning techniques that will help you to look after your church and clean in a way that will negatively impact items of heritage significance. Various metals, including brass, bronze, lead, copper, steel and iron, are often found in churches either as a structural element or part of monuments and decorative items such as candlesticks and crosses. These items are usually historic, and whilst they don't absorb liquids, the surface can be damaged easily and will often show signs of damage and decay. More information on the use and identification of metals can be found in the Cleaning Guidelines for Churches with Bats booklet. Before cleaning, inspect the items to identify the material or materials and any surface coatings and decorations. During this inspection, any damage, decay or painted decoration should be recorded, and you should inform the person responsible for the building or a suitable qualified conservator. Cleaning bad spoil from most metal objects is generally similar in approach to cleaning wood. It's vitally important to remove dropping and urine deposits immediately upon discovery. Always wear nitrile gloves when handling and cleaning metals. The oils in our hands will damage the metal surface. Remove droppings with a brush, or provided there is no painted decoration, a vacuum cleaner can be used, but always set the vacuum to the lowest power. A soft bristle brush can be used to remove any build-up of debris in the tail areas of metal items. Remove urine with an absorbent cloth or paper towel. Residue salts from dyeing urine can be removed with a soft bristle brush. Household cleaning products, especially those that are abrasive, are too harsh for historic materials. Commercial polishing products should not be used to polish any metal items, as it can weaken and damage the metal and rub out decoration. Gold or silver cloth can be used to clean copper, brass and silver objects. Do not use the same piece of cloth for different materials, and always mark the back or cloth. It is not advised to attempt to remove or rectify any surface discoloration, as this may damage the underlying metal. Photograph it and log the damage in the object condition and care log for ongoing assessment. Cleaning lead is not recommended, as it may release potentially dangerous lead dust. Further information, general cleaning guidelines and additional resources can be found in our companion booklet, Cleaning Guidelines for Churches with Bats.